a Shopify wholesale store with the retail one, you can do it using this theme that you can find on Shopify. The theme name is the Dawn Shopify theme, and in this theme I added the Shopify wholesale store. For that, you don't need to purchase any Shopify app for wholesale, or you don't need to purchase the Shopify Plus plan. You can add the functionality on your current Shopify store. So the only requirement for that is you need to purchase the basic Shopify plan. So let me show you the working. So as you can see, this is the retail store. In the retail store, I can see everything and purchase the items. This is the wholesale request form. So if someone fill the form and click on submit, the customer request will be sent to your email address, and after that you can create the wholesale customer from the backend. And this is the login. I shared the link in the description of this video, so you can check the demo as well on in the description. As well, you can buy this thing. So after signing, the main menu is replaced and it is showing welcome to wholesale store. And in the wholesale area, you can create the quick order form for the collection. If you want to display a collection in quick order form, you can easily do that by changing the theme template as quick order form. The products will be displayed as quick order. And this is the collection, and you can see the wholesale products into that collection. You can create multiple collection for the wholesale as well the quick order for the uh, wholesale area, and you can add on the wholesale menu, so you can change the menu layout for the wholesale. And if I add the product into the cart, view my cart, it is showing the minimum order is $100. So if the amount is more than 100, only then the customer wholesale customer can purchase. So you can see if I change it to 8 quantity, I can do the checkout. And if the amount is less than, then it is showing the minimum order. So this is the working. And if I click on this one and click on logout, you can see the main menu is replaced with the retail one. Now I can access the retail area. So the only the approved user can access your wholesale area. So you can run two store in single Shopify plan. Like you can run B2B and B2C on single Shopify plan on Shopify Dawn theme. So you can just buy this theme and install on your Shopify store. So if you purchase this theme, you can install the theme on your Shopify basic plan, upload the theme and use the wholesale area and as well the retail area. Retail will be accessed by all the visitors and wholesale will be accessed by only by the approved customers only. So only you approve the customer, then they can access the wholesale area. So as you can see, so the layout is fully drag drop. As you know, the Shopify Dawn theme is very famous, so you can just drag drop the layout and it support all the Shopify apps. For this, you don't need to purchase any Shopify wholesale app. Just install, buy and install on your Shopify plan and it will work. If you still have any question, you can connect with me by commenting on this video. I shared the documentation with this theme as well. So if you purchase this theme, you will also get the documentation how you can manage the wholesale area. And the, you can purchase this theme. So I pointed the two links. The one is the demo and the other one is the purchase link, so you can buy the theme. So it is very easy. You don't need to pay monthly charges, as you are fed up with the monthly charges and Shopify. Or if you purchase any Shopify wholesale app, you will find that there are plenty of apps available for the wholesale, but they will charge you around 40 to 100 US dollar per month. That will be very costly, because if you install that app, like if you install the $100 app on your Shopify, then the Shopify will also charge you around 2% from the transaction. So you will get a lot of billing. So I suggest you to use this theme. And if you found this video good, you can just like it and subscribe for more info. Thank you.